Madam, the food done ready.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. This man. This man!
Women are scorpions, they are vampires, they are blood-sucking animals.
If you work out and yash.
Wetin be this? Jesus.
Madira, Woba. Alama Pine, Orisori, Osi,
Yeah!
Jesus! Mommy, oh, my body they shake. Mommy, oh, my body they shake. My body they shake. Blood of Jesus, blood. You like what you see?
This man!
Jesus! Mommy, oh, my body they shake. Mommy, oh, my body they shake. My body they shake.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
Madam, sorry. Now the food we see my cook, it don't done. So now see my can't tell you.
Okay, it's me.
Why eat you?
May God not allow them, make them kill you.